Hi, welcome back to my channel, Everything Business by Sirisha. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 steps that you need to take if you want to become a super successful real estate agent. As you know, real estate is an essential commodity. Everybody in their lifetime, as long as they have a dream to leave something for their family members, will definitely buy a good house or will invest in real estate. That is where this phrase, which is Roti Kapda Makana, was coined by none other than the Prime Minister of India, that is Indira Gandhi, way back then. So that was the agenda using which she won elections. And you are in that essential business, which is real estate. So congratulations firstly for you to choosing the right business. Now, if you specifically look at real estate, though real estate is the most happening domain right now, 95% of real estate agents fail within the first 3 years, which is very, very interesting because most of the people who enter into real estate are trying to make something big. Then why do they fail? They fail because they don't know about these 5 steps. So that is where I come into picture and you come into picture. Now let us get into the video's content. Step number 1 is if you want to excel in any field, not just a real estate, you need to make sure that you learn from the best. There are 2 ways that you can learn from the best. Either you can join as an intern with a real estate agent who is super successful. So you can learn how he does it, you can build relationship with his clients, etc. The second way to do it is to join a brokerage. Brokerage in India specifically is a group of people who come together and probably work for a company. For example, Remax is a brokerage. So once you join a brokerage, you will have a complete understanding of what tools they use, what sales techniques they use, which you can then develop for yourself for your own business when you start it in the future. So number 1, learn from the best. That way you will be making lesser mistakes and you will also have an opportunity to learn from somebody else's mistakes. Step number 2 is to spread the word. Once you have got into real estate as an agent, you have to make sure that your inner sphere of contacts knows that you are in real estate. Now, inner sphere of contacts is it could be your extended family, it could be your colleagues from your ex-company, it could be also your classmates from school, college, etc. These are the people, or these are the circles from which you will get your first referral. So it is very, very important that you spread the word. People know that now you are a real estate agent. Now, let us get into step number 3. Step number 3 is the most important and many people don't do it. The most important step is to make sure that you have a proper day structure. Most of the times, even as small business owners, we don't structure our day. We keep doing this and that, and at the end of the day, it will be 10 p.m. and you still have not done anything to make sure that your business progresses to the next level. That is where structuring your day comes into picture. You need to divide your day so you can start working on getting leads, building relationships, and then following up of those leads. If you don't create that structure for yourself, nobody will. So make sure that you create a structure. I've also done a video on an amazing book which talks exactly about this, which is the perfect day formula. I'll give the link of this video here in the I button as well as in the description. So do check that out as well. Now, step number 4 is to invest in your business to create a unique identity. See, at the end of the day, Creating a business or taking the business to the next level is all about taking the risk. But most of the time, small business owners, they don't want to invest money. They think if I invest money into advertising or marketing, those are wasted efforts because they still believe that word of mouth is the best marketing technique. I'm sorry to say, my friend, word of mouth has just moved online. So, until and unless you invest in online advertising, online marketing, even offline marketing as well, you will not get any traction. Though you must be working for 12 to 14 hours a day. You must have heard from very successful entrepreneurs who are old entrepreneurs who have told you that I have worked for 14 hours a day and today I am super successful. But those days are gone. There is a lot of competition now in the market. So until and unless you create a distinct identity for yourself, nobody will come to you and buy from you. So step number 4 is to invest in your business. Until and unless you invest in your business, you will not be able to get any returns back. Now, step number 5, the most important again is follow up and follow through. Now, what is the difference between follow up and follow through? Most of the times, we generally go to gatherings, business networks, etc., and we tell people that we are in real estate. After that, we do generally a follow up call. So, probably somebody says, "Oh, that is interesting because I am actually looking to buy something." And then you say, "That is amazing. I'm a real estate agent. I can help you with that." Now, what is follow through? Follow through is when somebody gives you a referral. For example, somebody says XYZ person is actually looking to buy a villa or a flat or a bungalow and it is on an urgent basis. You get super excited, but then you don't follow through the lead. Probably you call the lead once and they say, "Currently, I have somebody else who's working with me," and that's it. That is the end of discussion. Rather than that, you have to follow through with that prospect. You have to keep in touch with that prospect and you need to keep educating them. The best tool to do that is, of course, your email marketing, which is the most non-invasive way to keep in touch with the prospect. If you want to know how email marketing works and you want me to cover a specific video on that topic, do let me know in the comment section below and I will create a video just for you on this topic of email marketing. So that's it, folks. I hope you found these 5 steps really interesting. If you do these 5 steps for the next 6 months consistently, I am sure you'll be at a much better off position than when you started. This is Sirisha, founder, chief strategist at Branding with Pixels, a business strategy design and digital marketing company coming live to you from India. If you want to take your business digital and you want my help, you can write to me at sirisha@brandingwithpixels.com. That is sirisha@brandingwithpixels.com. The email ID will be scrolling in this video somewhere here. You could directly write to me and I would reach out to you personally. Apart from that, please do subscribe to the channel if you like the content that I'm creating. If you want me to cover any specific topic, do leave it in the comment section below and I will create a video just for you on that specific topic. I'll see you again in my next video. And remember, if you are a real estate agent, I have created a series of videos on real estate marketing. So do check those out. They will be in the playlist of real estate videos here in this channel, Everything Business by Sirisha. I'll see you again in my next video. Please do take care.